On 29th of October, in a horrific incident, a woman beats her husband to death at Ghorial Dubi under Bokajan police station. It was reported that on 29th of October, Bokajan police, acting upon the information input from VDI, visited the perimeter of paddy field nearby Ghorial Dubi, falling under the jurisdiction of Bokajan police station, and discovered one dead body of a man. The deceased individual was identified as Mohen Malakar. When Bokajan police reached the residence of Mohen Malakar to interrogate with the family for further investigation, Reboti Karmakar, wife of Mohen Malakar, publicly confessed her crime, saying, "I beat him to death using a thick stick." Reboti Karmakar further stated that she was compelled to do it because of her husband's atrocities. He was always intended to quarrel and returns home usually drunk. Bokajan police arrested Reboti Karmakar, wife of Mohen Malakar, and daughters. An FIR was locked against both of them and was taken to Bokajan police station for further inquiry.
Our BDB secretary Gorelu Majika takete phone korle mok kole enake mara eta hol tete moi log log osi sar phone korlo saro ahile sara kore tumi jua moi goi asu ahi palo dead body pori ase ta pisot dead body to kori ami ঘৰত আহিলো saro ahile osi saro ahile amar BDB takete ahi thakile thaki pela তদন্ত কৰিলো অলপ ফুটফুস কৰিলো ঘৰত কৰাৰ পাছত পিছত ঘৰৰ ফ্যামিলিয়ে কলে যে takete মাৰিছে বুলি।
Nanterang's report from Bokajan for Karbing Long Live.